Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday, and it's very early. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I had to get up and get baby K ready because she had to go with Zay's mom for his little sister's game today. So yeah, I'm up now. Zay's still asleep. The girls are in the tub playing. They're right here in this room, right there. So while they're in the tub, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some breakfast started this morning. I look rough, I know, y'all. I just woke up. Baby is going crazy today already. She's already waking up kicking. But y'all, we have like nearly 4 or 5 days off. So yeah, but let's go ahead and get this food started. We're gonna do I think we're gonna do Zay's favorite, which is the hot sausage, and then pancakes. What are my pancakes right now? Then I got fruit for the girls. Uh-oh. Yes, my love. You're gonna do eggs. I dropped something. It's okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this stuff cooking. Matter of fact, I'm probably gonna get the girls out of the tub soon so I can keep an eye on the food. But we'll be back though. Let me get this stuff on the stove and let's get it cooking, y'all. So yeah, I'll be right back with y'all. All right, y'all. So we have the sausage going. We have the eggs in, which I need to put some cheese in there, y'all. We can't forget about the cheese. But the sausage on. The girls are playing. Don't mind this garbage. I gotta tell you, we gotta take this out, y'all. But they just got the tub. Now they're playing. Hey, girls. Good morning. Are we surprising Daddy with a good morning breakfast? Yeah. So let's look outside, y'all. See how it is. Ooh, very sunny. So yeah, I'm also gonna get his coffee. We'll do some pancakes for the girls. And yeah, y'all, let's get this breakfast going. I don't know how Zay's gonna react because, you know, he loves his morning breakfast. He loves his morning breakfast. So, we'll see how he reacts to it. Let's wake up to morning breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna go. No, come in here is more of that. Bring that in here now. So we're gonna get some cheese. I'm gonna throw a couple slices of cheese in the egg so it can be cheesy. And yeah, I'll be right back with y'all guys. Once I get the sausage off the plate. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, welcome back. Breakfast is made and breakfast is ready to be served. Here is Zamora's stuff. She don't eat a lot of grapes, y'all, so I just put a couple. Here is Nana's. This is Zay's, and this is mine. I don't really eat a big portion in the morning, y'all, and Zay doesn't either, but we want to see what all he eats. He probably never will eat all this, but he's asleep. I also got his coffee ready. Let's go and surprise Daddy. You ready to go surprise Daddy? Let's go surprise. Yeah, let's go surprise him, okay? Yeah. Go get Daddy. Tell Daddy his breakfast ready. Go get Daddy, Woody. Go wake Daddy up. Say hey to the vlog. Wake up! And good morning.
Good morning.
Get your sleepy head up. Get up. Say, get up, sleepy head.
Okay.
Oh, who you talking to like that?
I'm gonna get up.
Get your butt up. Y'all, we also got Zay's coffee. What? Yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video we did earlier. Surprising Zay with breakfast in bed. And the breakfast.
Hold on, let me be real, bro. That caught me off guard, though.
Caught you off guard? Yeah. You didn't expect to wake up like at 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning with breakfast in the bed, huh?
Yeah, I didn't.
I mean, it wasn't really like, I didn't get up like.
But surprises is good.
Yeah, I love surprises. Only if they're good surprises.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't like wake up and just automatically think like, oh, let's make breakfast. I was like, you know what? Zay's still asleep. The house is empty. Everybody's gone. Let's do a video and let's get the day started by making breakfast and surprise Zay. So that's what we did.
Yeah, that was good. That was amazing. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate you for that.
How's your coffee?
It was amazing, but I need me another one.
Okay. You slept good?
Yeah.
So we're just out here letting the girls play for a bit, y'all. I have a lot I gotta get done today. We just washed baby's baby's clothes that we have so far.
She even got one of
her hair bow. Smells good. So yeah, we have a lot of her clothes. Y'all should see her clothes. She has so many clothes. But we just washed all her clothes, and now I gotta get once they dry, I gotta get her drawers and stuff in order because she'll be here any day now, and we want to make sure we're prepared as much as possible before she does get here. So I have a lot of cleaning and a lot of stuff I gotta get done today because time is just going by too fast. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See y'all soon. Peace.